गुड इवनिंग। आज की पोयम है लाइन्स रिटन इन अर्ली स्प्रिंग। एक पोयम है जिसको विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने लिखा। द पोयम बिगिंस विद द स्पीकर डिस्क्राइबिंग हिज सराउंडिंग्स इन अर्ली स्प्रिंग। ये पोयम वहां से शुरू होती है जहां पर स्पीकर जो है अर्ली स्प्रिंग के बारे में, है ना, अपने सराउंडिंग्स को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं अर्ली स्प्रिंग में, हाईलाइटिंग द ब्यूटी एंड वाइटैलिटी ऑफ नेचर, और नेचर की वाइटैलिटी और ब्यूटी को ये हाईलाइट करते हैं। Lines written in early spring can be appreciated for its exploration of themes such as innocence, morality and the passage of time. Lines written in the early spring इसको जो है इसके एक्सप्लोरेशन के लिए जैसे इसके डिफरेंट टाइप के थीम, इनोसेंस, मोरलिटी और पैसेज ऑफ टाइम के लिए अप्रिशिएट किया जा सकता है। Lines written in early spring by William Wordsworth is a reflective and introspective poem that explores themes of nature, humanity, and the interconnectedness of all living beings. The poem begins with the speaker describing his surroundings in early spring, highlighting the beauty and vitality of nature. Wordsworth uses vivid imagery to depict the sights and sounds of the natural world, creating a sense of wonder and awe. One of the key strengths of the poem is Wordsworth's ability to convey a deep sense of emotional and spiritual connection with nature. The speaker reflects on the harmony and balance of the natural world, contrasting it with the turmoil and suffering of human society. Through his observations of the flowers, birds, and trees, Wordsworth emphasizes the cyclical nature of life and interconnectedness of all living beings. The poem also features a scene of introspection and contemplation as speaker reflects on his own place within the natural world. Wordsworth expresses a profound appreciation for the beauty and serenity of nature, suggesting that by immersing oneself in the natural world, one can find solace and peace. The poem conveys a sense of spiritual renewal and connection with something greater than oneself. Furthermore, lines written in early spring can be appreciated for its exploration of themes such as innocence, morality, and passage of time. Wordsworth's contemplation of the fleeting beauty of nature and the inevitability of death adds a sense of depth and poignancy to the poem. The speaker's musings on the transience of life serve as a reminder to cherish each moment and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. अब conclusion देखिए, lines written in early spring is a profound and contemplative poem that celebrates the beauty and vitality of nature while also reflecting on the human condition. Wordsworth's lyrical language, vivid imagery, and deep emotional resonance make this poem a timeless exploration of the interconnectedness of all living beings and the enduring power of nature.